Hello everyone, this PhD position is available in University of Manchester in Department of Computer Science. So if you have background a bit related to computer science, then you can watch this video for further information. Generative AI and active learning for foundation models applied to automatic segmentation for multi-model images. So this is the title of the project. So Dr. Alvarez and Dr. Fariba Yusfi will be the supervisors of that project. This project focuses on automatically segmenting diverse medical imaging modalities such as MRI, CT, pathology through the combined use of foundation models, active learning, and generative AI. Applicants should have or expect to achieve at least 2.1 honors degree or a master's in relevant science or engineering related discipline. Ideally, applicants should have research experience evidenced by publications in journal or conference. Before you apply, we strongly recommend you that contact the supervisors for this project before you apply. Please note that Dr. Fariba Yusfi is based at AstraZeneca. How to apply? To be considered for this project, you need to complete formal application through online portal. When apply, you will specify the full name of the project, the name of your supervisor, and how you are planning on funding your research, detail for your previous studies, and names and contact details of two references. So you can take a look here funding notes. The 3.5 years PhD, 3.5 years, 5-year PhD starts in October 24. The project is full funded by the doctoral training program plus AstraZeneca funding. Tuition fee will be paid and you will receive a tax-free stipend of at least 18,000 euro per annum. So yeah, this is all about the project. If you will have any question, you can also contact to Dr. Fariba Yusufi, and yeah, thank you so much for watching the video. Take care, and if you want to hear more about scholarship videos, if you have background related to any other subject, then you can ask me in the comment section to make the videos on that specific subject, and then I will find the position and make the video for you. Thank you so much for watching the video. Take care. Bye.